I have been making video almost 3 months, and in this time, one thing I understand: learning speaking need to speak. Without speak, you can't learn any. You can't learn speaking. I did a lot of methods, like I read, write, learn grammar, structure, watch cartoon, watch movie, listen more. But I get some of benefit from them. But when I start to speaking, that's time I get pure of confidence. Yes, like when I start speaking, that's time I wasn't confident. But now I am confident little bit. I can speak in front of camera. I can speak others. Yes, I don't know a lot of word, a lot of sentence, but I can speak little bit. I get confidence for speaking. Yes, before I did a lot of method, but I don't confidence to speak in front of camera. And I understand later. Yes, if I want to learn speak, I need to speak. But I do other things like listen, read more, and writing, learn grammar. Yes, this is important, but most important is speaking. So if you want to learn speaking, you need to speak. Without speak, you can't achieve. Yes, it's normal. Like what you want. Like you want to learn cricket, so you need to play cricket in the ground. If you just study how to out, how to ball, how to bat, you just watch and learn in pen and paper, it won't be. You need to play in field. Yes, you need to physically play, then you learn everything. You learn like a football, you need to go in the field, then you learn. If you just learn rule, you don't play good. Yes, you can't play. Speaking is like that. If you want to learn speaking English, you need to speak. You need to speak in front of camera, in front of mirror, in front of others. Speak in front of, speak yourself. So learning speaking English, you need to speak. Without speak, you can't achieve. Or speak today, not tomorrow. Yes, a lot of person think I will speak tomorrow, but tomorrow don't come. But if you speak today, tomorrow will be today. So speak today. And without speak, you can't speak. Yes. What do you do? It doesn't matter. You read, you listen, you learn grammar. It's okay. It's no problem. You do. But you need to speak at least 10 to 20 minutes every day. This is the good benefit. I getting benefit. I'm practicing like that. Yes, I do a lot of mistakes. And don't worry about mistakes. Mistake is the part of learning. If you do mistake, that's mean you are learning. If you don't mistake, that's mean you are not practice. If you do practice, that's mean you are doing mistake. So it's normal. Like expert person do mistake. Why you worried about mistakes? I don't worry about mistakes. I know I am doing a lot of mistakes, but I try to find this mistake. I try to solve. Yes, but if you want to learn speaking English, you need to speak. Without speak, you can't ask it. Thank you.